Hello student, my name is Rohit Kumar. I am social science teacher from Maples Academy Devan. Student, today we are discussing about the chapter number 6, Many Culture, One Nation. Now, India is a big country with many kinds of people, and they speak different languages, eat different foods, wear different clothes and follow the different traditions. And this mix of a different people and their ways of life is called diversity. And diversity means having a many different people, ideas, culture in one place. Even though people are different, they can learn to respect and care for each other. And this is called unity. And unity means standing together and helping one another, no matter how different we are. India, people from the different region live together in a peace and harmony. A person way a person's ways of life may be different from the another, but they still respect each other and custom traditions. This is called a unity in diversity. Now, the culture represents the way of their life of a community and encompassing traditions passed down through their generation. Language is spoken in homes, street, festival, celebrated with joy, and customs they shape daily life. Language they use the different languages and celebrate different festival, and they practice the different traditions, customs, and the languages of India. India is a home to staggering linguistic diversity that reflect in culture richness. The constitution recognizes 22 scheduled languages, but over 19,500 languages dialect are spoken across the country. Now, the festival across the India: Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Durga Puja, Pongal and Onam, and Baisakhi and Bihu. India festival calendar is a year-round celebration of diversity. Each festival tells a story of mythologically and harvest historical events and spiritual significance, with bringing communities together in a joy and celebration. Now, India's cuisines are diverse as its peoples, with each region offering distinct flavors, ingredients, cooking techniques shaped by geography, climates, and cultural influence. North India, wheat-based bread like chapatis, naan, rich gravies, tandoori preparation, and dairy products. And South India, rice-based dishes like dosa, idli, uttapama, coconut infused curries and tangy sambars. And East India, fishes, rich staples, mustard oil and uses, and sweets like rasgulla and bamboo and shoot delicious. West India, spicy curries, coastal seafoods, Gujrati thali and Marathi vada pav and bhakri. Food is not merely sustenance, it is the expression of the culture and means of hospitality and a bridges between the communities. And regional cuisines reflect our ingredients and historic influence and regional practices. Now, the art and craft traditions. India artistic heritage spans millennia, is encompassing classical dances from the tell stories through the movement and handicrafts that showcase regional skills and artistic expressions unique to each community. Now, the classical dance, eight recognized from the including the Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Odissi, Kathakali, and each with distinct styles. And visual arts, miniature painting, Madhubani art, worldly painting, temple architecture showcasing regional aesthetic. And handicraft, pottery, weaving, and embroidery and metalwork passed down through generations of artisans. Music traditions, Hindustani and Carnatic classical music, folk songs, and regional instruments like the sitar and tabla. Now, the regional harmony. India is the birthplace of the Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikkim, with also being home to the significant population of Muslim, Christian, Parsis, and Jains. The religious spirituality is protected by the constitutions, guaranteed of the freedom of religion. Challenges and solutions. The stereotyping and prejudice based on the religion and region or languages, economic disparities create the social divisions and communal tensions and exploited political gains, loss of the indigenous languages and traditions. And the solutions: education promoting the culture, awareness and empathy, legal protections of the minority rights and culture preservations, and interfaith and intellectuals dialogue in activities, and celebration of the diversity in media and public spaces. Now, India's unity in the diversity is protected and celebrated through its constitutions. The constitutions give every citizen right to the equality, freedom, justice. It ensures that people of all background are treated and fairly respected. Now, this is all about the chapter in civics, many culture, one nation. Thank you.